So I'm going to show you how to do scanning, wireless scanning with this printer, and we are going to use the inbuilt Wi-Fi system of the printer, which is called Wi-Fi Direct. Go to the display panel of the printer and click OK button. Now click on the device setting option and click OK. Click on LAN setting, and here you have to click on the wireless direct setting. Wireless direct, click OK. Now you will see it displays name like show setting info. If Wi-Fi direct is off, then you can switch it on. You will get an option here, and then you can also see the settings. So details will be shown here. So we need to know the password of the Wi-Fi direct. So click on show setting info. Now it will say display password when included in setting info. So we can switch it on. Yes. Now on this screen you will see Wi-Fi direct is enabled. That's the name of the printer when you're going to connect it with the Wi-Fi, and scroll down, and that is the password. Download the Canon Print app from the App Store and open the Wi-Fi setting of your device. Now look for the printer's Wi-Fi name and click on that. Now enter the password as that was shown on the screen. Now you can enter the password and click connect, and you will see it is saved and it is connected with the printer's Wi-Fi. For that we need to open the Canon Print app and we have to add the printer there. And to add the printer, you will, once you open the app, you will see the option, do you want to search for available printers? You click on yes and just wait. Now in the end you will see this screen, the confirmation screen, and you are connected. Now we are going to do a scanning. To do a scan, open the top scanner and place a page facing downwards here. Close the lid and now go to the app again and click on the scan button, and you can change some setting here if you want, and then click on scan. So this way it will transfer the scan shortly and we can use it wirelessly without the use of any internet or Wi-Fi. So this is the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi we are using here. So here we can see that scan is successfully transferred. So this way you can do the wireless scanning. Thanks for watching.